some sort of foundation. There's bricks. I don't know if it was a well. It's a mound, so I don't think so. And no idea what that is, but we're gonna try and set up nearby here because I could probably utilize some of these rocks. As you can see, it's pretty dense, but it opens up over this way and this way. I'd like to have a little bit of windbreak. The pine tree row. I think I might just set up over this direction. Well, I'm only maybe 10, 15 yards from that old foundation, and it's opened up right here. I don't see any widowmakers except that one leaner, and it's leaning into the V of that tree. And if it did decide to break, if I build right here, it wouldn't get nowhere near if it did fall. First thing I'm going to do is hang my bag. I'm going to trim down this one branch just to make a stub just to hang my backpack on. Well, I decided I'm gonna go in between these two trees. Take out a few saplings. I think I'll leave this one bigger one here. Take out a few more, and that will give me something to lash a tarp to if I need to. good kindling. I bought this cordage, just natural rope. You can break it down. They got it sealed at the end. You can break it down into 3 separate pieces. This is 500 feet, so I got 1,500 feet of rope that I can use. I put it about head height. And all I did is make a loop in the end, strung the rope through it. I'm staying with the full size cordage because it's going to be holding up a lot of weight. And then I just did a couple half hitches to secure it, and then with one person you can take the rope and lay your log in the loop and pull it up into place and then strap it to the tree again. You can also find another tree or a log that has a V in it, and you can use that to prop it up until you get it tied into place. But just making sure I got enough area. I want to have it about head height. I wrap it around a couple times. Try and pull that tight. And then I'm going to lash it back to the tree. Make a loop. And get tangled up in it. Get it about the same height as the other end of your ridgeline tree. Okay. I mean, I could have used 550 paracord, but that shit is expensive. I mean, it's nice stuff, but now, if ever needed, if you feel like this is not going to be strong enough to hold the weight of all the cuttings that you're going to make for your lean-to, you can always take and cut one to length and V-notch the top of it with your saw and put it up underneath, and then at the base of the tree, kick it up tight. And then you could take a couple lashings and lash it to the tree. That'll help hold more weight. Now I stripped the bark off because it would just rot. It's already started a little bit here, but it's not wet. It's a little damp, but it'll save it from rotting any faster than needed. I might just put up a tarp for now and take it back down when the time comes to start gathering wood for the lean-to. Now this here, I got two of these, but I got this one from my son, but we ordered these. They're made by Uwage. These are a tarp system. Very reasonably priced. If I'm not mistaken, it's been a couple years since we ordered these. Probably 15 bucks, 18 bucks. Aluminum tie-out stakes, which we'll put in my pocket. And I'm going to set this on up for now. But let's see if we can get this thing set up. And what's nice about this tarp, it has a reflective inner coating, especially for lower temperatures. You got your fire going, this will reflect the heat back toward you. So let's set this on up. I have my tarp set up to where I can deploy it very quickly. This one's never been out of the bag. So let's try and figure out how we're going to go about this. My boy must have used this at one time. Yeah. Shit. And I find myself a stick to make a toggle. So, just a plain old stick. Stick the loop through, and stick it through the loop. Wrap it around 2 times. Now, I think this one needs to come out and go that direction. That, my friend, will work. I can stand up underneath here. Not much room, but I can always try and figure out a way to get this to raise up more. Well, I changed a few things up. This string here was coming this direction. I pulled it this way, so kind of got an opening. I'm going to put something, it's right there where you can see that little orange mark. That's where the stake is. So I'm going to put something here as of right now so I don't trip over it. And then I took the center one and I lifted it higher, pulled that sapling over a little bit so it keeps it tension. I can walk underneath it. Then I pulled that one going the other direction over to that sapling, which is beside this tree. So it's working out. I went all the way around, and the one stake that I had that one up to, I put in the center in the back. It's supposed to have 6 stakes. There was only 4 in there. I don't know where they went. But as you can tell, that silver really doesn't show up. I am kind of surprised. It looks more green with the sun coming through it. I'm going to take a little break. Too old for this shit. But I got a sandwich from Pizza Joe's. And I want to start doing some beer reviews. Don't got my glasses, my eyes with me, so but this one is it's called a Special Operations. It's an Indiana Pale, made by Fatheads Brewery, and it's called says on here that we're in this all together. It is 7.5 per volume, 12 ounce. Let's see if I can get that in closer. Let you get a look at the label. Kind of fits the setting, the camouflage. The lid's kind of cool. Got some chubby dude's face with an X through it. But yeah, let's see what we can, if I can even get it open. I didn't bring my freaking bottle opener with me, so hopefully we don't. That was easy enough. Put that there. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, it definitely has that hoppy taste to it. Very hoppy. It doesn't linger too long. Second taste, it's kind of wasn't as bad as the first, but definitely taste the hops in there. But it's smooth. I kind of like it. Yeah, definitely. But can't complain. Being out in the woods and drinking beer. Can't go wrong with that. But this is a Italian hoagie I had left over from last night. But definitely can't complain. Being out in the woods, beautiful day. It's up in the mid-50s, almost 60. Whenever the clouds come rolling in, it gets a little chilly. And whenever I quit moving around, I put the jacket on on and off a couple times. Well, we got big plans for the shelter. It's going to take some time. I'm going to try and get out here at least once a week and build through the summer. It's only going to be me, and heck, I'm an old fart, so I don't move as fast as you youngins and get winded faster. Don't help either that I smoke cigarettes, so, but trying to cut down on that. But yeah, I want to put a fire pit. But the lean-to, I'm going to do a rear wall about so high off the ground, and then the roof. You really can't do a bark type roofing, but there's plenty of moss areas around here, so I might do a live roof. We'll put in a windbreak. What's nice about in here, it's not really too windy, and if the wind does blow, it usually blows in from the west, which is that direction, so that'd be nice. Yeah, put a place to store firewood, just make a little roof. Walls, enclose it. Well, we'll just see how it progresses, won't we? I know there's this is good deer hunting area, and turkey. I've seen so many turkey scratching areas. If I get a chance, I might be able to get some footage. But I've been making a lot of racket, so they've been staying away. And as you've seen, I'm packing. I never go in the woods without it. We are in bear territory. Probably seen that in past videos. They have been known to come right into my backyard, which I am, if by the crow flies, I am probably pretty close to a mile. Pretty close to a mile in. But I did the area I wanted to put up the base camp. I was walking in and found a tree stand. And then so I moved. I went a little deeper in. Not bad manners, good beer. And found another tree stand. So I said, yeah, I know where I need to go. So I went even deeper. And I'll put up a position of kind of where on Google Maps, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. If it shows up, it shows up, because I really don't want to give off the position, because if anybody else sees my videos and they see that, and then they know where it is, they can come in and trash it and destroy all the work that is going to be done, and that sucks. But I'm going to finish my sandwich, drink my beer, and we'll be back. Yeah, I'm checking out this foundation. I don't want to tramp around too much. I don't know if there's a well nearby or Man, I don't know what this was, but definitely there's definitely something there at one time. But and this is like a dugout, and there's another one over there. So I have no clue what it was built for, but I'm going to try and haul one of these. Find a decent rock big enough that where I can move it myself. I ain't too far away. It's just over there. Because I need a seat. Well, let's see how she works. Oh yeah, good enough. But old man winded you a little bit, but yep. It's starting to get a little late. I think it's about 3 or 4. So I'm going to start working my way back out of the woods. I'm going to leave the tarp up because I'll be back out here in the next couple days. And then I'm going to start gathering material to build the lean-to. I'm just going to pile it up, probably back behind, and until I get enough, and then I'll take the tarp down and start building that. But it's a process. So, yep, if you liked the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and not the finger. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's right down there. Click the bell notification. It'll give you 3 options. It'll tell, click all. That'll tell you whenever I post up a new video. Leave a comment. I'd like to hear from you. And as always, hope to see you in the woods. Bye.